Texas's oil and gas industry is booming, but the development of these new energy sources often occurs in regions accessible only by roads never designed to handle the heavy loads associated with fully loaded semi-trucks. The Texas Department of Transportation, with the help of the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, recently evaluated new pavement designs for implementation in TxDOT districts across the state.
The bigger 18-wheelers that transport oil and gas from remote areas in the state can vary very hard on roadways that are not originally designed to handle them.
The energy sector pavement regularly is FM road and very thin layers, thin asphalt layers with flexible base pavement, so they cannot handle so heavy traffic. I think there are three major things came out from the previous project. The first one is a 6-step pavement rehabilitation and design strategy, specifically for energy sector. We have a new, we call Texas MAE, to handle the heavier traffic, the low spectrum traffic, and also can let pavement designers to see how the pavement performs along the 20-year design life. And we also have a specific pavement design program, specifically can be applied to energy sector. We also had training workshops and to train district people to how to follow the 6-step pavement rehabilitation and design strategy, and how to use all the tools to design the pavement.
So TTI's new design is helping TxDOT build more durable and long-lasting roadways. So that means that the less taxpayer dollars are going to be spent on maintenance, and the roads are going to be way safer for drivers because the pavement does not fail as often.
The tools we provided to districts or to TxDOT can help them to design the pavement and to design adequate pavement to support the heavier traffic. And they can, in that way, they can save millions of dollars, taxpayer money.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.